Welcome back to the channel. The name of the channel is CAD with Mr. Hugh. We bring different ideas and we hope to become your favorite AutoCAD resource online. In the previous video, we looked at the safety report, and in today's video, we'll be moving away from that topic and we'll be exploring beyond our usual classroom in today's video. So thanks for joining us, and we will be moving into the video right now. Welcome. In today's video, we'll be looking at a different approach from our traditional AutoCAD drawings. And at CAD with Mr. Hugh, we look at different ways in which AutoCAD can be explored, meaning the support documentation that is required in the engineering field, such as architecture, building, and engineering. So in today's lesson, we'll be moving away from our traditional classroom setting, meaning the AutoCAD drawings, and we'll be looking at the different support topics. So let us explore outside our usual environment, and our usual environment would be our AutoCAD classroom. So I've been thinking about this topic, and we'll be looking at its application in today's video. So I came up with the idea to capture my idea for today's class in a different way. Can you guess what it is? All right. So on the left of the screen, we have a photograph. Can you guess where this photograph was taken? I have another photograph. Can you also guess where this photograph was taken? All right. So having looked at the two photographs, I wanted to tell me what is so unusual about those photographs. What's different about them? I'm gonna give you 3 seconds to answer and come back. All right. So, what are your observations about the photographs? What are they? Or could these photographs be taken in another country like the USA? Why do you say so? What is the likely gender of the person or persons who are involved in these photographs? Another question is, what are the possible ages of the person or persons who are involved in these photographs? Another question is, what is the likely economic background of the person or persons who are involved in these photographs? Why do you say so? Another question is that is related to the photographs is, what is the likely impact of these photographs? Why do you say so? Another question is, should we be concerned with the photograph? Why do you say so? Is there anything that we can do about these photographs? Why do you say so? What are your thoughts about the exercise? All right, thank you for joining us in our exploration beyond the AutoCAD tutorials. This topic is a important topic in the engineering and building specializations. So we had to cover it as it is listed in our syllabus. This brings us to the end of today's video. In the next video, we'll be looking at the application of the design process, and we hope that you'll join us in that video. Thanks for joining us, and please take care until you meet again. Bye. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.